Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create modern strip lines pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a vertical strip. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Click on Align panel. Horizontal Distribute Center. Go to Object menu and Path and add anchor points. Select anchor points with the Direct Selection tool. Double click on Scale tool. Uniform 0%. Same value of width and height. Group Ctrl G, copy Ctrl C, paste in front Ctrl F. Rotate 90 degree. Object menu and pattern and make. Tile type brick by row. Finally, your geometric pattern with stripped lines is now ready. Please follow step by step, and it's easy way to create abstract geometric pattern design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.